Found another one of my old boat projects that I can put in the water, in the bath. This one, 4 AAA batteries and a little water pump. And I did this one specifically to show the water shooting out of the water rather than under the water. So the water's sucked into there and pumped out of there. Let's refocus. So there we go, the water is not going into the water, it's squirting up in the air. But it's still the same laws of motion or whatever. The water being pushed backwards or shot backwards is pushing the boat forwards. So there'll be a link in the video description to the original build for that. Not that there's much that you need to know. It's just one of those little water pumps and a hole cut in the side of a drinks bottle. Oh, of course, the important Grandad is an Old Man logo on the top of it. Just send it back the other way for a minute. I'm just off, on. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.